Craftable fabric bowl covers can be made from almost any fine fabrics, including knits. However, weaves are more natural and look nicer. Ideal fabrics would be muslin, linen, cheesecloth, cotton or polycotton. Bridal tulle netting is also easy to make and ideal for outdoor dining and keeping the flies off. For this demonstration, we will be using only one pattern piece, as all the other pattern pieces are the same sewing method. Lay your cut pattern piece on a single layer of fabric. This pattern only requires a single layer, but if you want to cut out 2 bowl covers at one time, fold the fabric first or use another piece of fabric on top. Once your pattern is in place, secure with pins and then cut around carefully, cutting around the pattern, ensuring not to cut into the pattern, as it's best to have cut it a little bit wider than cutting into the pattern itself. Once you have finished cutting it out, remove all of the pins. Once you have cut out your bowl cover, take it over to the Overlocker serger machine. For this demonstration we are using rolled overlocked hem. Not all machines have this feature, so if your machine does not have it, you can simply use standard overlocking with the length of your stitches reduced down 1 or 2 to give a closer stitch that covers more of the fabric edge. Do this on a test piece of paper first before attempting it on your bowl cover. As you approach the beginning of your stitching, simply stitch over the top, lift your needle up and turn away the fabric and keep sewing a bit to release the thread, then snip it off. Check your stitches are nice and neat and have not been missed anywhere. Next, we take your piece of fabric over to the sewing machine.
With the right side, wrong side on this side, you're going to take your elastic. So with the elastic, you just need a really long piece. There's no real length to it. So because you're going to stretch it as you go. So you're going to find your marker point. So that's 1 centimetre from the edge of the overlocking. So you want to place it on. Just do a little bit of a stitch and then make sure that the zipper foot is going in, and then you want to stretch it to about here. Hold it down with your finger and then start stitching. And then make sure again that the needle is down, stretch, stop, and when you get to this part, you want to just pop it on top and sew straight over it. And then do a couple of back stitches and then forward stitches. And then use your snippers and snip off the threads. And then with the elastic, you want to cut right up to stretch it out and just snip it off. And that's it. There you have it. We can put it on our bowl. We have our final product. Very cute. And that goes on the medium-sized bowl. Take it over. Very cute. This size also goes on a smaller bowl. Anything smaller from that, you can pop it on. This one's probably a little bit small, and you'd probably go up to the small size for this one, but it still fits on. So, well done.